Everyone, so what you can see here is where you will be queuing up. So Mrs. Harty will show you, we're just outside the theatre here. I'm on a yellow mark. They're all 2 metres apart because we want you to make sure that you stay 2 metres apart from each other. Even on your way into school, it's really important that you socially distance until you've had that first test and the first test result. Okay, so when you've done all of your queuing up, you'll get to the end and you'll enter through the sixth form entrance, which is just this side of the theatre, as you can see. It's really important. At this point, you'll be asked a few questions about your health. We need to make sure that you haven't got any of the symptoms of COVID. So that's a lack of taste or smell, high temperature, or repetitive cough. If you have any of those symptoms, stay at home and get yourself a PCR test. Do not come into school. Thank you. You're going to enter the testing place, which is our theatre, through the green room. So we're going to go through, so you can see. So here is the reception area, all the people on reception. You'll come here and you'll pick up a card and you'll pick up a barcode to go into the testing area. It's really important, if you look on the floor, that there's 2 areas where you need to stand so that you're 2 metres distant from the person that's putting your information in. Okay, really important, just remember to sanitise your hands when you come into the building, particularly if you've been touching your mask or anything, but you really must sanitise your hands when you arrive. So when you get to, you've checked in at reception, you're going to come into the testing centre, so you make your way through and you just wait at the end of this arrow here so that people can see you. You need to make sure that you keep your 2 metre distance, and then you'll be called to one of the testing bays, and so just give you a sense of what that looks like. We've got 9 different bays, all of which have all the things on it. Now we're going to give you a video that takes you through how the testing goes, so I'm not going to go through that in this video now. Okay. So you're going to leave through the one-way system, so you follow the arrows along, so we shouldn't be coming into contact with other people. Keep your 2 metres distance, with your mask on as well, and then we just go out. The last thing is you're going to leave through the phase 3 doors, and from here you're going to head right back out into the car park. So if your parents come to collect you, you can be collected there. Okay, so you're going to leave the building through this gate here, which we don't normally use, and it goes back out into the car park. So the last thing you need to do then is make sure you hold on to your little card, which will have a barcode on it, and that's where you need to go home and register your test with your parent or carer. And we will obviously be in contact with you if there's a positive result, but if it's negative, you will find out through the NHS website. Thank you.